Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Samar Official. In the previous video, you had learned about how to model a screw part from the screw jack assembly. In this video, you will learn about how to model a Tommy bar with knurling from the same screw jack assembly. The commands used in this model are axis, profile, constraint, shaft, chamfer, point, line, helix, plane, slot, and circular pattern. Open CATIA V5. This will take you to product workbench. You can close this file, close. You can go to start, mechanical design, click on part design. Select the YZ plane, click on sketch. This will take you to sketch workbench. Select the axis, draw axis line. Click on profile. Select anywhere, draw a vertical line, horizontal line, inclined line, horizontal line, and a vertical line. Don't draw vertical line here. Select this 3-point arc, select this arc and click here, and now horizontal line and close the loop. Okay, now click on constraint, select this point and select this point, right click, vertical measure direction, double click, 0. Click on constraint, select this, double click on this, 12/2. Click on constraint, select this, double click on this, 62. Select the constraint, select this line and select this horizontal line, double click on this, angle is 45. Click on constraint, select this line, double click on this, the value is 20/2. Okay, so now you can click on constraint, select this and select this point, right click, horizontal measure direction, double click on this, enter 4. Okay, now again select the constraint, select this point, select this line, right click, coincidence. Now select the constraint, select this line and select this point, double click, the value is 275. Okay, fit in all. Zoom it. Okay, so you can see the sketch is in green color. It means it is fully constrained. Okay, now you can click on exit workbench. Now click on shaft, click OK. So you can see this. For rotating, you need to press the center scroll button and right click at a time and you can move your mouse. Now select this circle, click on this chamfer, enter 2, press OK. So now create point. So at the origin itself I need a point. Click on OK. Again create a point. Now my point must be on this circle. Okay, length is 0. Click on OK. Now create a line from point to point. Select this point and select the second point, click on OK. So I'll just hide these planes, press Ctrl, press Ctrl, press Ctrl, right click, hide. You can see this line and 2 points. Okay. Now I'll go to shape, generative shape design. So I want helix to be selected. You can click on this down arrow and select the helix. Starting point of the helix. This must be the starting point of the helix. Select this point. In the axis is right click. It can be y axis and the direction is reverse. Pitch is 200 and the height up to which I want knurling is 100. Okay, you take pictures double the height, counterclockwise, click on OK. So again click on the helix, starting point I will select this same point, axis right click, y axis, pitch is 200, height is 100 and orientation is clockwise. So orientation must be opposite to the previous and the direction is reverse. Okay, click on OK. Right. So now select this curve, one of the curves, and click on plane. So this will take you to normal to the curve. Okay, and the default is middle, so I want the plane at this point. Click on this point, click OK. Again select this curve, create a plane. So default is middle, I'll select this point, click on OK. So now go to start mechanical design, part design, select any one of the planes, click on sketch. This will take you to sketch a workbench, fit in all. You can zoom it. So now click on profile. You can draw a profile. In the V shape. Click on the constraint. Select this line and select this line. The angle I'll take it as 80. Click on constraint. Select this point and select this point and double click on this 0.5, press enter. Click on constraint, select this line, select this point, right click, coincidence. Okay. Now click on constraint, select this line and select this line, double click on this and the angle is 40. Okay, so now exit workbench, fit in all. Okay, select this slot, your pulling direction, center curve. So I'll select this. So this is y-axis. Right click and select y-axis. Click on OK. So you can see this. Okay, slot is create. Again, now select another plane. Okay, go to sketch, zoom it, so select profile, drawer of profile, V shape, press escape, click on constraint, double click on this, and this is 80. Okay, now select constraint, select this point and select this point. First select the constraint, select this point and select this point, right click, coincidence. Select the constraint, select this point and select this point, double click on this 0.5. Again select the constraint, select this line and select this line, double click on this and 40. Click on exit workbench, same, select the slot, select this as pulling direction, center curve, this is your center curve, so you can select as right click and select y axis, click on OK. Right, you have two slots created. So now I'll use circular pattern to get all the slots along this cylinder. Okay, so now select this slot, select the circular pattern, enter 30 at the instance and the angle can be 12 degrees. Reference element, so you can select this axis or right click y axis. Okay, click on OK. So now again select this slot one, again select the circular pattern, instances 30, angular spacing 12, reference element selection, right click y axis. Okay, click on OK. So you can see this will generate another slot circular pattern. So you can see here the knurling, diamond knurling is done. Okay, you can select this line, right click, hide or show. Okay, even you can select these two planes, right click, hide or show. Okay, So I can go for phenol, select isometric. You can zoom it to watch it if you want. Again, I'll select phenol isometric. Thank you.